What's up, YouTubers? So check this out. I was at Sam's Club and I seen this package. I was like, what the heck is this, man? Looks like nothing but fat, a little bit meat. But anyways, I ended up getting it. And what it is, it's beef cheek. Cachete de res. So let me say this. I've never done this before. First time ever. I've had them before. I had tacos like this before. But I've never cooked it myself. And there's many ways you can do this. You can steam them, put them in the oven. But you know me, I'm gonna smoke these bad boys. Why not, right? So this is, let me see, almost 8 pounds for 25 bucks. See what we get. Just finish washing this meat with water, soap, and Clorox. No, I'm just joking. Here it is. It's quite a bit of fat on some of the pieces. It's all over the place. All kinds of different stuff going on here. I don't even know where to start. It's crazy. So, just like anything else, I'm going to trim what I don't want to eat. Which is right here, my friend. It's not much meat. This is it. So out of the 7, it was, what did I say? It was almost 8 pounds. Look at that. That's all fat. All silver skin. Look at it. Crazy. Now this, maybe I got 3 pounds, maybe 4. So probably half meat and half fat. Alright, so check this out. I gotta tell you something, tell you guys something about my seasoning style. My go-to is onion, paprika, garlic, fresh ground, and salt. And when I measure, I know in the beginning of my videos I was measuring with a tablespoon or teaspoon or what have you. But I was only doing that for you guys. Only if you guys wanted to copy the recipe. But in truth, I just eyeball everything. I've been doing that for years. So that's all I did, is just eyeball it. That's what I do. I don't measure. But I would assume that I put probably a tablespoon of each for you guys that want measurements. So it's granulated onion, garlic, paprika, coarse salt, man, a must. If you got table salt, that's fine. But coarse is for me. And fresh ground pepper. I mean, this is a must. Let's season these bad boys up. Enough time wasted. I already got my smoker going. Quick mix. And just season liberally, man. I can go heavy on this because it's only a tablespoon of salt. I'm able to control my salt. So, smells good already. So after seasoning, I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit. Not really do room temp or anything like that, but I'm gonna let it sit maybe 10-15 minutes. Let those seasonings get in there, and let's go to the smoker. You guys follow me. Don't fall behind. I'll be back. Check that out. Looks pretty good, right? It's only been maybe 10 minutes maybe. So I'm gonna put these guys in the smoker. So they're on the smoker. Just put them on there. They're seasoned. We're gonna wait. I'll check on them maybe in an hour or so. I don't think I'm gonna spray these. I think I just wanna let me back up a little bit. When I say spray, spray with water or apple cider or vinegar, whatever people use. Most of the time I just use water or Coke, whatever I have on hand. But I'm not gonna spray these. I'm gonna just I want that bark to build up. Once I got that bark build up, I'm gonna put them in another aluminum tray. Put a bit of onion, a little bit of garlic, and braise those bad boys so they can fall apart, and we can have some tacos. Oh, not only that, I'm making a salsa, a fresh salsa. So I gotta get that prepped, put them in here, or maybe grill them right here. We'll see where I put them. But I'll be back. Don't go anywhere. Bottle of water, right? I made I don't have beef stock, so I just made a chicken stock. So I put about a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. I got peppercorns in there, some rosemary, 3 bay leaves, and that's it, man. So that is for this. A bit of onion. So once this smokes, or I get a nice bark, we can get this the beef cheek, put it on top, put the chicken stock up in there, and put a piece of foil and braise it. See how it comes out. So I also never smoked my salsa, so I just didn't want to do it over here, grill it or whatever, but smoke this bad boy. And the meat has been here. Let me see if it's not too hard to handle. You guys can check it out. It's been here maybe an hour. She's starting to look good already, so see how that goes. I'm not going by temp today. I'm just going about color. It's a good bark already. Let's see. This is my homemade chicken stock. I don't want to drown the meat. Just want to be able to braise it. That's about good right there. 2 hours of smoke, maybe 2 hours of braising. And I'm at smoking at 300. Mmm. Delicious. Avocado, really creamy. It was a battle out there. I went like 3 or 4 rounds with the wind. So check out the beef cheek. Look at all those juices. Let me just dip it in real quick. See the tender. See if it's tender. Oh, dang. It's pretty good. Just falls apart. Check this out. Let me show you guys something real quick. These hot dogs right here, the old American hot dog. You see the way I cut them with a knife? That took me about 2 days to cut like that. Sweet, right? Nah, just joking. We have this little gadget we bought on Amazon. So let's take out a few pieces. Damn, look at this. Quiero el taco bien cargado. Put a little bit more. Come on. Le voy a poner un toquecito de limoncito. Y esa salsa. El taco bien cargado. Mira nomás. Mira, papá, lo que te vas a comer. They're delicious. Will I make it again? Yes. I'll make this again for sure, no doubt. That only took like 2-3 chews before I swallowed it. That's how tender it is. Thank you guys for watching. Gracias. Try it out. It's delicious. I'll see you guys next time. So as soon as I'm done with this taco and this video, I gotta go shoot another video. My cousin's gonna make something. We're gonna go ahead and film that and show it to you guys. See what his special dish is. I'm sure it's pretty good because that guy can cook.